If you're wanting to try a particular outfit but are having trouble styling it with your pieces, you may want to see how it has been uploaded and shared by other users. On any outfit card, you'll find this See More button. You can tap on that and it will open a new tab that shows you how other users have uploaded that outfit. In the results, at the top, you'll see the official Front Fighters model and the official formula. You'll also see any other uploads that have been submitted by other users. You can further filter down using the filters to perhaps see anything that matches your body type. Something to note is that if you are looking at an outfit that doesn't have any examples uploaded, you might get a warning message that explains why there aren't any examples to show. In that case, we encourage you to upload a picture of yourself to help build up the database with examples of people wearing that outfit. You might also get that message if you are seeing the outfit for an older edition of the year-round outfit guide, such as the first or the second edition. In that case, you'll want to make sure to look up the outfit using the latest edition. You can do so by looking for the outfit number up here using the search bar, or by filtering down on the sidebar by outfit collection and selecting the latest edition. This will help ensure that you'll have at least one example by an official model, as well as additional examples that have been uploaded by other users. If there is a particular version of the outfit that you want to emulate, you can use the Save button to save it to your saved outfits. You can find your saved outfits later from the menu and selecting Saved Outfits. And that's how you're able to see additional examples of any formula uploaded by other users.